First impressions matter, especially in a place like Sugarland, where neighborhoods are known for their clean lines, well-kept homes, and welcoming streets. One of the simplest yet most impactful ways to elevate your home's exterior is by installing a new replacement door. While doors may seem like a small detail, they play a major role in defining your home's style, security, and overall curb appeal. The front door. Your home's first impression. Your front door is often the very first thing guests, neighbors, and potential buyers notice. An outdated, faded, or damaged door can make even a beautiful Sugarland home feel tired. On the other hand, a modern replacement door instantly refreshes your exterior and gives your house a polished, updated look. Whether you choose a bold color, natural wood grain finish, or sleek contemporary design, a new door acts as a focal point that draws the eye and enhances architectural details. For Sugarland homeowners who take pride in appearance, this single upgrade can dramatically change how the entire home is perceived. Style options that match Sugarland homes. One of the biggest advantages of replacing your door is the wide range of design options available today. From classic paneled entry doors to modern glass accented styles, there's a look to match every home in Sugarland, whether it's a traditional family home or a newer, modern build. Decorative glass inserts add elegance and allow natural light into your entryway without sacrificing privacy. Fiberglass and steel doors can mimic the look of real wood while offering better durability in Texas heat and humidity. With customizable colors, finishes, and hardware, your new door can feel uniquely yours while still complementing the neighborhood aesthetic. Increased value without major renovation. Curb appeal isn't just about looks, it's also about value. Replacing your entry door is one of the most cost-effective home improvements when it comes to return on investment. A visually appealing door can make your home more attractive to buyers and may even help it sell faster if you ever decide to list. For Sugarland homeowners who aren't planning a full exterior renovation, a new replacement door offers a high-impact upgrade without the time, mess, or expense of larger projects like siding or landscaping overhauls. Enhanced security and peace of mind. A beautiful door should also make you feel safe. New replacement doors are built with modern security features, including reinforced frames, stronger locking systems, and impact-resistant materials. This added protection not only improves safety but also boosts confidence in your home's overall quality. Knowing your door is both stylish and secure adds to that welcoming feeling curb appeal is meant to create, for you and for anyone approaching your home. Energy efficiency adds subtle appeal. In Sugarland's warm climate, energy efficiency matters. Older doors often allow air leaks that increase cooling costs and reduce indoor comfort. New replacement doors are designed with better insulation and tighter seals, helping maintain a consistent indoor temperature. While energy efficiency isn't something people see from the street, it contributes to a well-maintained, modern home, something buyers and guests often sense the moment they step inside. A simple upgrade with big impact. If you're looking for a way to refresh your Sugarland home without a major renovation, replacing your doors is a smart, stylish solution. From improved aesthetics and higher value to better security and efficiency, new replacement doors deliver benefits that go far beyond looks. Sometimes, boosting curb appeal doesn't require changing everything, just changing the right thing. And for many Sugarland houses, that starts with the door.